Welcome back, guys. Do you recognise the logo? Yeah, me neither. If you know what this logo is, leave a comment at the bottom. I will give you a hint, it's Chinese. Roll the intro. Did you guess what it was? Well, it's a Dong Feng. What is it? Yes, it's a Dong Feng. D-O-N-G-F-E-N-G. Dong Feng. Yeah, I haven't heard of it either. Anyway, we're gonna get the engine out of it. It needs a head gasket, and we'll see whatever else it needs whilst we've got it out. Well, there it is in all its glory. A 1.3 litre tilted engine. It's a lot easier to do these on the floor and try and battle getting these heads off on the tilt. His exhaust at the bottom down there, it's going to be quite difficult to get out because the engine mounts in the way. And then up top, right here inside the car, the battery and electrics are, so it just makes it difficult. This is the easiest way to do it. We're going on a little road trip. Got the cylinder head with me. Going to drop it off at the engineer shop to get it skimmed and crack tested. So I've arrived at Classic and Modern Engine Services. They're as noisy as we are, so I'm sorry about the background noise. I've been using Paul and his business for a quarter of a century now, and they've never steered me wrong. In my opinion, it's one of the best engineering shops around. So if you ever need anything around the Bracknell area, or if you're in Berkshire, these are the people to deal with. They also do mail service, so you can mail your stuff in and they'll send it back to you once it's done. So here we are, this is their reception area. So I've got my head there. We're going to have a reface and crack test on it, make sure it's okay. And they'll give us a call when it's done. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. That Dong Feng is something different. I didn't show you the video of us sorting the head out. The camera kept focusing onto hands, elbows, head, not the cylinder head, my head. So it was a bit crappy, so I didn't add that in there. We MOT'd it, had loads of other failures. We've done front to rear brake pipes, brake hoses, suspension arm. But yeah, it's all done. It was just something different. If you're looking for a Chinese vehicle, these things seem to run on petrol and diesel. The weirdest of vehicles, but if you did enjoy it, hit the like button, the subscribe button. It's free to subscribe. Why haven't you subscribed? Please subscribe. So we've got a Bentley running in the background now. Thanks again for watching. Take care, guys.